To create columns in Weebly, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Weebly website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Then enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to follow a few steps to create columns. Begin by selecting the blog page, where you can add a multi-column blog element. To do this, click on the Edit Site option, which can be found in the website drop-down menu or on the overview page. This will open up the editor, where you can create a new page or blog page by clicking on the Pages drop-down menu. From there, you can choose to add a new page and select from various templates such as a blank page, contact page, or gallery. You can also add a text and image section, which will allow you to create columns. To do this, click on the Add Section option, then choose the Text and Image layout. You can then customize the layout, mix and match different styles of text, and drag and drop elements to create your desired column layout. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have successfully created columns in Weebly.